In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Wealthfront routing number. If you're a Wealthfront user looking to manage your cash accounts more effectively, knowing where to find these routing and account numbers can be incredibly helpful for setting up direct deposits or paying bills. To begin, head over to the Wealthfront support website. The specific section you're looking for is titled Routing and Account Numbers for Cash Accounts. It's on this page where you'll find all the relevant information. Now, an important point to keep in mind, trust cash accounts with Wealthfront do not have checking features. This means they do not come with routing or account numbers. So if you're dealing with a trust cash account, this tutorial won't be applicable. If, on the other hand, you have an individual or joint cash account that has checking features and is funded, you're in the right place. Let's get started with finding your routing and account numbers. First, you'll need to log into the Wealthfront website or their app, which is available for both iOS and Android devices. Make sure you have your login credentials ready for this part. Once you're logged in, navigate directly to your cash account. Whether it's an individual or joint account, this is where we'll continue the process. In this section, you'll find a Manage option. Go ahead and select it, then proceed to the Account and Routing Numbers option. Here, you'll find the specific numbers you're looking for. These numbers are essential if you want to set up direct deposits or use payment apps like Cash App, Venmo, or PayPal. They're also useful for paying bills directly from your account. However, if you're asked to specify the type of account during this setup, remember that these are not for wire transfers, as wire transfers require a different set of numbers. You might be curious about which bank owns your routing number. Wealthfront partners with UMB Bank and Green Dot to provide account and routing numbers. You can see which bank provides yours by going into your cash account, once again selecting Manage, and then tapping on Account and Routing Numbers. This will give you a full view of the details. Moreover, for clients with a Green Dot account and routing number, you may see references to Sunrise Banks or University National Bank. This is because those banks previously owned the routing number. Now, it is part of Wealthfront's partnership to ensure you have access to your funds efficiently. And there you have it, all the steps needed to easily locate your Wealthfront routing number. Now, you can manage your finances with greater confidence and convenience. Thanks for watching and happy banking!